You won't believe the offer I got today.
Really? What kind of offer?
It's a management position at a big company. The salary is much higher than what I'm earning now.
That sounds like a big step forward for your career. What do you think?
Honestly, it feels like it's too good to pass up. I mean, opportunities like this don't come around every day.
Wow, that's exciting. Are you ready for the change?
That's the thing. I'm comfortable where I am now. But this offer, it's something I just can't say no to.
I get that. It's hard to turn down something like that, especially when it's such a good opportunity.
And the benefits are amazing too. Health insurance, a retirement plan, and they even offer a flexible work schedule.
It sounds like they really want you on their team. Have you thought about what this means for your personal life?
That's another thing I'm considering. The job requires more travel, and I'll probably be busier than I am now. But still, I don't want to pass this up.
Well, sometimes you have to take a chance. If this is something you can't say no to, maybe it's the right time to make a move.
You're right. I'll probably regret it if I don't take it. I just have to figure out how to adjust to the new schedule.
Just think of all the possibilities this job could open up for you.
I guess sometimes you have to take risks for big rewards.
That's right. If you're ready for the challenge, go for it. I was at the mall today and I saw this amazing coat on sale.
Really? How much is it now?
It's 80% off, and it looks perfect for winter. I've never seen a deal like this before.
Is it the kind of coat you've been looking for?
Yes, it's exactly what I need. The original price was $600, but now it's only $120. It's too good to pass up.
That does sound like a great deal. Have you tried it on yet?
Yeah, I tried it on, and it fits perfectly. Honestly, at this price, it feels like a steal.
If it's a steal and it's exactly what you need, why are you hesitating?
I've been trying to save money lately, so I'm not sure if I should spend on something like this right now.
But think about it, how often do you find something you really like at such a low price?
That's true. I've been needing a new coat, and this one is just what I was looking for. Plus, if I wait, it might be gone.
Exactly. Sometimes, you just have to go for it when the price is right.
You're right. It's not often that I find something this good for such a low price. I should just buy it before someone else does.
If it's too good to pass up, you don't want to regret missing out on it later.
I'll head back to the mall tomorrow and get it before it's too late. I found a house for sale nearby, and guess what? The price just dropped by 30%.
Wow, that's a huge discount. Are you thinking about buying it?
I've been looking for a house for a while. This one is just too good to pass up.
What makes it so special?
It's in a perfect spot, close to work, and the neighborhood is really quiet. Plus, it has a big backyard.
That sounds great. Have you checked out the condition of the house?
Yeah, I saw it last weekend. It needs some minor fixes, but nothing major. Honestly, it feels like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to buy in this area.
A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? You should definitely think it over.
I know, but if I wait too long, someone else might grab it. It's just too good to pass up, especially at this price.
True. But make sure to get it inspected by a professional before making any decisions.
That's a good idea. I'll do that. I just feel like it's the perfect time to buy.
If it's really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, go for it. But don't rush, okay?
Thanks, I appreciate your advice. I'll take my time and make sure everything's in order.
Too good to pass up. Too good to pass up. This job offer is too good to pass up. This job offer is too good to pass up. This discount is too good to pass up. I need to buy it now. This discount is too good to pass up. I need to buy it now. Can't say no to. Can't say no to. I can't say no to a slice of cake. I can't say no to a slice of cake. This deal is so good, I can't say no to it. This deal is so good, I can't say no to it. Take a chance. Take a chance. We took a chance on a new recipe, and it tasted great. We took a chance on a new recipe, and it tasted great. I think I'll take a chance and apply for the job. I think I'll take a chance and apply for the job. Feels like a steal. Feels like a steal. This jacket was only $20. It feels like a steal. This jacket was only $20. It feels like a steal. I bought a new laptop at half price. It feels like a steal. I bought a new laptop at half price. It feels like a steal. Go for it. Go for it. If this is your dream, go for it. If this is your dream, go for it. He said he wanted to move abroad, so I told him, go for it. He said he wanted to move abroad, so I told him, go for it. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Once in a lifetime opportunity. This trip to Paris is a once in a lifetime opportunity. This trip to Paris is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Meeting the president is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Meeting the president is a once in a lifetime opportunity.